The recap shows how many hours are in an estimate. I'm going to scroll down here a little bit. Notice that the total labor hours here shows 98 hours. Okay? Now it's important to do a labor analysis on all your estimates. And here's how you do it. I like to figure out how many days it takes to do this job. So I'll take my calculator and put in 98 and divide by 8. In other words, 8 hours in a day. So 98 divided by 8 is just over 12 days. So in this estimate, I have just over 12 man days. Now, if I had 2 guys working on this job, of course, it would be 6 days for 2 guys. Now, let's say that I look at that, I see through the job, I think about it, and I want to add labor hours. I don't think I have enough labor hours. Let's say I want to add 2 man days, or 16 hours to the estimate. Now, I'll scroll up to the top. You need to be aware of the fact that the crew composite rate, we reset that to $40 per hour. So the way that you add labor hours, just plug them in real quickly, is over on the left there's a description of a line here called Other Labor Hours. I go over to the zeros, click on it, it opens up a window. Now I'm going to go in and change this labor rate first thing to $40 because that's how my recap is set up. So I'll change it to 40. Okay, and I'm going to change the description here, just labor adder. That's telling myself I'm adding labor hours. Now I'm clicking into the hours category here. I type in 16. I wanted to add 2 guys 1 day, which is 16 hours. When I save and close, I'll scroll down here. Here we go. We'll scroll down a little bit. Notice now there's 114.41 hours. So I just effectively added 16 hours to this estimate. And so that's how you do a labor analysis. Sometimes they get a lot more involved with a lot more hours, but you still need to take a look at it. Take a look at how many man days are in the job, how many crew days are in the job. Add labor if you need to.